Hey divas, welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Main, and I'm so glad you decided to press play on this here video because today I did another look using the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette, and this time I focused the eyeshadow look using this color right here that's on my lid. So I decided to use this look, and I also just kept it using all matte colors. Nothing shimmery, everything is just matte. Wanted to show you guys another look using this palette. I love this palette so much. And of course, beauty on a budget, $5. How can you not like this palette? You see how pigmented this is? This look came from a $5 palette, okay? $5, Wet n Wild. Love that company. They are... Ooh, I just love how they are just trying to keep up with high-end products. But anyways, if you want to see how I created this here look, I'm out of breath, y'all. I almost forgot to record this intro. I was like on the way out the door and I was like, oh snap, I didn't record an intro and I'm not gonna feel like doing a voiceover. So let me go ahead and record this intro real quick. So if you want to see how I got this here look, this beauty on a budget drugstore diva look, then you need to continue to watch. Till next time, divas.